Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is the chemistry class, course code 0971 GCSE curriculum. We were discussing about the chapter atoms and structure. We have detailed discussion yesterday about atom and its particles like electrons, protons, neutrons. And today our topic is about electronic configuration. Electronic configuration is about the distribution of electrons in the shells and subshells of atoms and elements. Today we will discuss that. So let's go to the whiteboard. So our topic is today electronic configuration. What is this? It's a distribution distribution of electrons of an atom in shells, subshells, and orbitals. The distribution of electrons of an atom in shells, subshells, and orbitals. Now the question is, what are the shells? Shells are a spherical shape path around the nucleus where electrons are revolving. Suppose this is the nucleus in the center and the circular or spherical shape around the nucleus. The nearest one is first shell and so on. This is the second shell. This is nucleus. These are the shells. Now each shell has specific capacity. Each shell has specific capacity of containing electrons. You can ask question at the end of the lecture. Okay, each cell has a specific capacity of containing electrons. What does it means? Like there is a alphabetical number small n that is used for representing the number of shells like 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. These are the number of shells. The first shell is represented by K, the second shell is represented by L, third is by M, fourth is by N. These are the representation of the shells. Now we are discussing about the capacity. What is the capacity? Like each shell is considered as a room. You can say each room has some specific capacity of people which can stay in the room. Same like the shell has a specific capacity for electrons. Like the first K shell has capacity of 2 electrons, L shell has capacity of 8 electrons, M has capacity of 18, and N has capacity of 32. Now the question is that how this value I have written without any formula. There is a formula on the back which from which we can also calculate. You can also calculate that formula is 2n square. Remember this formula 2n square is used for calculating the number of electrons in the specific shell. Now this n means the number of shell. Suppose we want to calculate about the capacity of fourth shell, that is n shell. So Fourth shell means n is equal to 4. We will put the value n is equal to 4 square, that will be 2 into 16, that will be 32. Now you can see from this formula our value has just exactly the same as I have written here.